So, in this series of class, we are solving NIELIT previous year question paper for Python programming. This is the subject name, programming and problem solving through Python. Okay. So, question paper for January 2021. This subject is common for both ITO and IT A level. So, this is the question. In the previous two classes, we have solved the question from 1 to 3 up to this. Today, we will see from question number 4. This is a fill in the blank type question. In each statement, you can see there is some blank space. We have to fill this blank space with these options. Okay, so the first question is the output of the following program is, one program is given, this one program, what will be the output of this program? Okay, so let us run this program. You can see there is two lambda function, one is R, one is S. In this lambda function, this function taking only one parameter q and it returns q into 2. That means, when you call this function R, we have to pass only one parameter. If we pass only one parameter q, it will return q into 2. That means, if we pass any number, it will multiply that number with 2 and return the value. And this lambda function S, it will also take only one parameter, the parameter name is q. Whenever we call this function S, we have to pass only one value, okay, and it will return that value multiplied by 3. Okay. If you pass, so for example, if you pass 5, it will return 5 into 3. Now, here one variable is declared with the name x is equal to 2. Now, this is function calling r of x, that means calling this function r and passing x means passing 2. So, passing 2 will go to here q and it will return q into 2, it will return 4. Okay. So, 4 will return by this function. Now, 4 will go to x. Now, again s is calling this function, calling s of x, that means calling this function s and passing x. Now, x, the new value of x is 4. Okay. So, passing 4 here. So, 4 into 3, 12, it will return 12. So, this function will return 12 and 12 will store into variable x. Now, new value of x is 12. Now, again calling r means this method and passing 12. So, passing 12 in q parameter. So, it will return 12 into 2, 24. So, it will return 24 and 24 will store into x. If we print x, we will get 24. If I run this program, you can see output is 24. Option of this program is 24, you can see here 24. So, option B is correct. So, option B. For the next question, let us consider the following Python code. There is one Python code given, A is equal to true, B is equal to false, C is equal to false. If A or B and C print true, else print false, the output of this code is dash. Let us run this code. Okay, given this program, A is equal to true, B is equal to false, C is equal to false. If A or B and C, that means this is one expression and we have to solve this expression, and if this expression returns true, then this part will execute. If this becomes false, then else part will get execute. So, let us evaluate this expression A or B and C. So, first it will evaluate B and C, okay, from right to left, B and C. So, B is false, C is false. So, false and false will become false. Okay. So, now A is true, true or false will become true, because if we perform true and false with OR operation, it gives us true. So, the whole expression becomes true. So, if and condition is true, so body of if will get executed. So, print will get executed. So, print true. So, output क्या आएगा? True आएगा. Okay, तो output true आएगा. रन करेंगे तो output true. Okay, तो इसका output क्या आएगा? True आएगा. तो true कहाँ पे है? Option Z. Option Z. Next, recursive functions usually take dash memory space than non-recursive function. So, recursive function usually take more memory than non-recursive function, because each time the recursive function calls, it returns some value. So, that value has to store in stack. Okay, that is why it takes more memory than non-recursive function. So, 4.3 more E. Okay, the next question is, Python programming language was created by this person, Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum. So, option number H. Option number H. Next question. Python supports object oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulates code within dash, within objects. 4.5 within objects, this one Z. Next question. Dash returns the current time instant, a floating point number of seconds since epoch. So, there is one function called time in time module. So, this one time dot time, option A. Option A. Next question. All parameters or arguments in Python language are passed by dash, passed by reference. In Python, all parameters are passed by reference only, not by value. In other programming language like C, we can pass by value or reference, but here in Python we can pass by reference only. So, 4.7 reference, option D. Option D. Next one, the dash can be accessed only inside the function in which they are declared, whereas global variables can be accessed throughout the program body by all functions. That means, local variable can be accessed only inside the function in which they are declared, whereas global variable can be accessed throughout the program body by all functions. So, here the local variable, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Local variable 4.8, local variable, this one F, local variables, local variables. 4.9, the difference between tuples and list are, the tuples cannot be changed unlike list, and tuples use dash, whereas list use square brackets. List use square brackets and tuple use round bracket like this. This is also called parenthesis. Parenthesis, option C. Option C. Python converts numbers internally in an expression containing mixed types to a common type for evaluation, but sometimes converts a number explicitly from one type to another to satisfy the requirement of dash parameter, function parameter. So, the option is this one I, function parameter I. Okay. So, question number 4 is completed, 4.1 to 4.10 is completed. In the next class, we will see from question number 5. Okay. Thank you.